confused between Realme 1 and Realme 2 because of same pricing. In this video I am going to compare Realme 1 with Realme 2 and telling you what are the main difference and what are the compromise done by the Realme to give you the Realme 2. So let's get started. So firstly we'll start with the display. So in the display section, in the Realme 1 we are getting 6-inch Full HD plus display, 18:9, where in Realme 2 we are getting 6.2-inch HD plus 19:9 display. So for giving you the notch, they decrease the resolution of the screen. Let's talk about the processor. So in the Realme 1 you are getting Helio P60, where in that one you are getting Snapdragon 450. I have also done the video comparing P60 with the 450, so go and check it out, that video. Let's talk about the another difference, which is the camera section. So in the Realme 1 you are getting 13 megapixel rear facing camera and 8 megapixel front facing camera with the bokeh effect, where you are getting in Realme 2 13 plus 2 megapixel rear facing camera, and in the front side you are getting 8 megapixel camera with the AI features, which is a new thing in that smartphone. Both the smartphones shoot the 1080p video at 30 frames per second, so there is no difference in the video quality. Let's talk about the battery difference. So in the Realme 1 you are getting 3410 mAh battery, where in Realme 2 you are getting 4230 mAh battery. Let's talk about the RAM management and RAM option you are getting. So in the Realme 1 you are getting 4GB 6GB RAM option, where in Realme 2 you are getting 3GB and 4GB RAM option. But for your kinder information, in Realme 1 RAM are faster compared to the Realme 2, because in Realme 1 there are 1800 MHz RAM, where in Realme 2 there are 800 MHz RAM are there. So this thing you need to consider if you are buying your smartphone for the multitasking and the gaming. Let's talk about our final and the most important thing which people are asking to Realme to add in Realme 1, which is the fingerprint scanner. So in the Realme 1 you are getting face unlock, in Realme 2 you are getting face unlock plus your fingerprint scanner, and fingerprint scanner is faster. I saw some of the YouTubers video, so which is again a plus point for the Realme 2. Let's talk about and let's come to our conclusion. If I am buying the smartphone for the performance like the gaming, multitasking and other things, I will go with the Realme 1 because it is a way better than compared to the Realme 2. But if I want a smartphone which needs to get a longer battery life and I need a notch, because lots of people poll on the Flipkart like they like the notch in the smartphone, so you can go with the Realme 2, but I prefer Realme 1 over Realme 2. So what do you think about this video? Let me know in the comment section. So that's it from me, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more videos from me, subscribe the channel. If you have any suggestion, comment below. Thanks for watching. Peace.